and I'm sharing you what I'm picking up at the same time picking this up. So sometimes it's not just a merely go and pick this up, just picking up. Also look on the store to build the points, all right. This one, show you this one. There we go. I got this on the Champs sitting right there. Last one pair, Air Jordan 12 grade school size 7. There you go. 20% return on that one. Two pairs, 8.5 and 10.5. I got this on Finish Line. Ooh. We got some Jordan 1 mid with a pastel colorway. All right, next one, 3 pairs of this one. We got the Air Jordan 1 low grade school black fuchsia white. This one kind of lots going on, lots of color and lots of design, lots of materials. Nice color on this one, I like it. All right, found this one in Finish Line when I went to the store that saw and asked if they have a leftover. I found a leftover 10.5. This one, another one in Finish Line, Jordan 12 retro grade school, sitting in the Finish Line. There you go. Another one, women's Air Jordan 1 low. Another one in Finish Line. 2 pairs of this Air Jordan 1 mid university gold. I just pick up the smaller sizes, size 8, but they got also 8.5, so I pick them up. Okay, so mostly I pick up is the Finish Line. Why? Because I'm trying to build up also points on Finish Line. I found a way winning in Finish Line. Alright, so what do you think on this vlog today on more pickups? If you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo.